So in this particular subtask, we're going to be adding a loop for the guessing part, because if you notice in the previous subtask we could guess only once, and now we're going to make sure we can guess as much as the user wants to. So here we have our objectives. We're going to add a while loop and a break statement to the run guess function to complete the project. Coming to the code, in the run guess function, let's look at where we added the loop. So we added the loop where we are going to take input from the user and we're going to pass it to the give hint function. And we're given while one because while one is going to make sure that the loop runs infinitely. And only if the user has guessed it, we're going to break out of the function. That is, the function will end only when the user guesses the secret number. Or else the function will keep on running. Let's just run this code once. So let me give 30. So you can see I've guessed my random number properly. That's why I've gotten an output of where you guessed it right. And when I gave it in plus or minus range of 65, I've gotten hot. And when I gave 30, which is not in that range, I've gotten cold. Let's just submit this code once. So I passed both the test cases. So that was it for this particular project. And this project was part of our course Projects for Beginners in C. And if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef, try this project out for yourself. And if you're watching this on CodeChef, great job diving into the solution. Move on to the next project. Thank you.